just got back from recon and I got some info for you. Looks like the clan ship was gunned down by a TX-3 anti-orbital cannon. Biggest freaking gun I ever saw. If we don't take that thing out, we'll never get off this planet.
Alright then, we'd better do something about it. While Drakmar is overseeing final repairs on the clan ship, we'll take out that cannon. What kind of defenses are we looking at?
Well, the base with the cannon is locked up tighter than Warhurst's private latrine, boss. I've never seen so many defense systems concentrated in one place.
What about a landing zone?
Yeah, well, there's a small outpost in a swampy area outside the base that the imps are using as an LZ. Recommend we sneak in a small force to clear the site and then take it from there.
Good call, Sergeant. You know, you could have been a field strategist.
You gotta be kidding me. The boys will be coming up on that outpost any second. Should be easy pickings.
We've lost a victory location.
Yes.
We've lost a victory location.
As you command. Assaulting. More enemies. Yes, enemy killed. No enemies. Glorious victory awaits. We destroy good. Affirmative. More enemies. They're attacking. Eto. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Enemies approaching. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Yes. Assaulting. Yes. More enemies. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. In heavy firefight. We destroy good.
We got the LZ, but we still gotta get past the base defenses.
There is better solution.
I see the enemy.
Have now access to affirmative. Closest name in Krig language is Assault Pod. Vlana Imperator used them to drop violent soldiers through shields on Morning Star. Rahulsa, non-technological, made-up organic shell will not disturb sensors.
Bad.
So we drop these
enemy.
assault pods directly into the base and gut it from the inside.
Unloading
Sounds good to me.
Yes, very rare. Will only be able to ship a few at a time. Suggest you use to disable turrets instead. Assaulting.
I see what he's getting at. He wants us to use those whatever things to knock out the power stations feeding the turrets.
Look, enemies. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. In heavy firefight. We're under attack. Yes, Commander.
Returning to clan ship.
Yes, enemy killed. Assaulting. Affirmative. Orders received. Yes. Eto. Affirmative. Enemies approaching.
Dropship at base.
Yes. Enemies approaching. Barsa.
Yes. Orders received. Orders received. Taking fire. Keto. Keto. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Yes. Vaksa. Orders confirmed. Yes. 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 They're attacking. Orders confirmed. We destroy good. Affirmative. Keto. Keto. More enemies. Vaksa. Orders received. Keto. Keto. Yes. More enemies. Orders received. Orders received. Yes. Yes. Orders confirmed. Look, enemies. We're under attack. Varsa, we're dead. In heavy firefight. We're under attack. Yes, enemy killed. Orders confirmed. Keto, Keto. More enemies. No enemies. Yes. Orders confirmed. Bad enemies. Vaksa. Their weapons hurt. We will do. Orders confirmed. We're under attack. Vaksa. We destroy good. Caught in crossfire. Caught in crossfire. Orders confirmed. Yes. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Look, enemies. Look, enemies. Affirmative. Yes. More enemies. Yes, he's dead. Yes, enemy killed. Yes. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Affirmative. More enemies. Yes, enemy killed. We're under attack. Look, enemies. Affirmative. One less enemy. Orders confirmed. Their weapons hurt. Enemies approaching. Glorious victory awaits. We destroy good. Bad enemies. Eto. Yes. Look, enemies. Yes, he's dead. No enemies. Eto. We destroy good. We destroy good. More enemies. We destroy good. More enemies. Affirmative. In heavy firefight. Eto. In heavy firefight. Caught in crossfire. In heavy firefight. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Vector achieved. Entering atmosphere. Caught in crossfire. Orders confirmed. Eto. Yes, enemy killed. Barsa. Yes. Target destroyed. Incoming enemies.
The base defenses are down. We can send in everything we got.
Assaulting.
Dropship awaiting orders. Yes, Commander. Bad news. Enemy sighted. Acknowledged. Yes, Commander. Consider it done. Acknowledged. Yes, Commander. Target eliminated.
Orders confirmed. More enemies. Yes. Barsa. Affirmative. Glorious victory awaits. In heavy firefight. Yes. Enemy killed. Barsa. Yes. He is dead. Affirmative. Yes. Eto. Enemies approaching. One less enemy. We destroy good. Assaulting. More enemies. Their weapons hurt. No enemies. Assaulting. Yes. Glorious victory awaits. Their weapons hurt. Yes. Yes. Orders confirmed. Yes.
As you command.
Laksa. Their weapons hurt. Orders confirmed. More enemies. Yes. Yes. Orders confirmed. We destroy good. Yes. We destroy good. Glorious victory awaits. Assaulting. Yes. We're under attack. Their weapons hurt.
Affirmative.
Yes. Orders confirmed.
In heavy firefight.
Yes.
Orders received.
Orders confirmed.
Look, enemies. Affirmative.
Yes.
Yes, enemy killed.
Yes.
Orders received.
Yes. Bad enemies.
Orders received.
Yes. Assaulting. Yes.
Our landing zone is under attack. Orders received. Affirmative.
We're under attack. Their weapons hurt.
We've
Their
just
weapons
lost
hurt.
the landing zone.
Eto. Glorious victory awaits.
Caught in crossfire. Taking fire. We're dead.
Yes.
Affirmative.
Yes. Orders confirmed.
Orders received. Caught in crossfire. In heavy firefight. In heavy firefight. In heavy firefight.
How about we take out that command
Yes,
center? It's
he's
kind of blocking
dead.
my view.
You just want to see
Their
more
weapons
explosions,
hurt.
don't you, Sergeant?
Assaulting. Their weapons hurt.
Yes. They're attacking.
We're under attack. Yes.
Orders received. As you command.
Assaulting. Assaulting.
Yes. Yes. Caught in crossfire. No, no, no. Orders received.
Assaulting. Assaulting. Yes.
Affirmative. Caught in crossfire. Orders received. Affirmative.
Yes, he's dead. Their weapons hurt. Yes.
Orders received. In heavy firefight. As you command.
We're under attack. Orders confirmed. Laksa. Orders confirmed.
In heavy firefight.
Yes.
As you command.
Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. under attack.
We're pinned. Affirmative. As you command.
More enemies. Yes. Orders received. Yes.
Affirmative. Vaxa.
Look, enemies.
Affirmative.
Look, enemies. Orders received. Get. Yes, he's dead. Orders confirmed.
We've captured a
Assaulting.
victory location.
Assaulting. Yes. More enemies. Orders confirmed. Yes.
Caught in crossfire.
Assaulting.
We're losing a victory location.
Orders confirmed. Yes, he's dead.
We've lost a victory location.
Assaulting. Assaulting. Yes. Bad enemy.
I swear,
Glorious
boss,
victory
the
awaits.
imps need better building engineers.
Yes. More enemies. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Enemies approaching.
No. Yes.
More enemies. Yes.
Taking fire. As you command. Yes. We will do. Yes.
More enemies. Orders confirmed. We're under attack.
We will do.
Yes. Orders received. Assaulting. Assaulting.
Yes. We're losing a victory location.
Vaxa. Assaulting.
As you command.
We're under attack.
As you command.
Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Yes. More enemies. Assaulting. Assaulting. Yes. Assaulting.
LZ secured.
Assaulting.
We've lost a victory location.
Assaulting.
Vector achieved. Entering atmosphere.
Assaulting. Yes.
We will do. Target destroyed.
Yes. Yes.
Package is delivered.
Eto. Orders confirmed. Yes. Look, enemies.
As you command.
Orders confirmed. Yes. Assaulting. Yes. Orders received. More enemies. me. Without delay. Yes.
Wow. There she goes. Nothing like bombing the crap out of some Terrans to start your day.
That's one anti-orbital cannon that won't be anti-orbiting anything anymore.
Impressive, Angelus Captain. You begin to lead by runs with skill. Perhaps you trust more now?
I'm beginning to understand them better, Vikarth. Your people are capable warriors.
Angelus Captain, clan ship is now soon repaired enough to take off. We can move to other side of planet Krig 7B.
Then let's not waste any time. We've got drilling equipment to steal.